National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lapeer County, northern Macomb County, St. Clair County until 8:15 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lum to Ortonville and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Goodland Township and Thornville around 7:05 p.m. Imlay City and Dryden around 7:10 p.m. Wynn Township around 7:15 p.m. Capac and Almont around 7:20 p.m. Yale around 7:25 p.m. Brockway and Stony Creek Metro Park around 7:30 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Lum, Yale, St. Clair, Romeo, Richmond, Port Huron, New Baltimore, Metamora, Memphis, Marysville, Marine City, Macomb Township, Lapeer, Lakeport, Imlay City, Harsons Island, Hadley, Emmett, Dryden, Capac, Armada, Almont, Algonac. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Lapeer, Macomb, and St. Clair.